three terms, that means sum and product rule only can be followed here by breaking the middle term. So I can see here, when I see the extremes, 9 5s are 45. And because of this minus sign, it's a negative 45. So when I break this middle term, I have to do subtraction. So what are those two numbers? When I subtract, I get 12. And that is very probable, that is 15 3s are 45, 15 minus 12 also. So both the balances happen. That means my choice is going to be 15 and 3. So I'm going to do like this. So alphabet, because of so missed alphabet, we might get confused. So don't worry about it. Just think about the middle term and coefficient. Other things copy paste. So a square b square x I'm writing in front like this. Okay, why? Because I'm going to break the 12 into the two parts, and that is 15 and 3. Okay, so since our childhood we have been learning the algebraic multiply, that technique will be also used. I don't think so I have to explain so much here about that. So simply multiply. So this 15 becomes 15a square b square x, and this minus 3 becomes plus minus minus 3a square b square x. So this is simply multiplied, okay? And this last term is as it is. Okay, don't you think this is just the sum and what we do in normal sum and product? So here also we are doing the same thing, only the question style is different, I said. So now common taking, as I said, common taking, you have to be very careful. So I'm separating the parts, two parts, first two parts and last two parts. In first two parts, when I see the number thing, 9 and 15, 9, in case of 9 and 15, I think 3 is the common. 9 cannot divide 15, that's why 3 is the lowest common multiple, that is 3 is the one. So I'm taking 3. In case of number, 3 is taken common. So now there is a alphabet A. Out of alphabet A square is the lowest. So that is common out. Then there is B group, let's say. So B lowest is B, and X, both of them are X. So X, the whole thing is common. So it's all about taking the common, very simple. So now I'm writing the residue remainings. In this 9, 3 has gone, means 3 is left. Out of A cube, A square has gone, 1 A is left. Out of B, total B is gone. Out of X, total X is gone. So this first part is A, 3A on. Now plus, so in from here, out of 15, 3 is out. So what is left? 5. Out of A square, total A square is out. Out of B square, only B is out. That's why it's 5B. X is totally out. So this is done. Now here also. So now here in the front only there is minus, means minus has to be taken common, right? First thing. So now out of 3 and 5, now 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. We cannot take anything common. So we don't have any choice to take the common for number case. Number is rejected. So now think about A. Okay, step by step. While thinking about it, don't think about others. Just think about this A only. Focus on that. You won't get confused. That is my tips to you. So A square and A, I'm taking A common. B square and B cube, B square is common. And X is definitely common. So same thing will come, you can see here. I'm writing this closing my eyes because I'm sure I'm not even calculating. I'm sure that 3A plus 5B will come. Okay, now from here, you know 3A plus 5B as a whole common, and remaining from this first part is 3A square BX minus AB square X. Okay, this is the factorization final one, but still I'll tell you, here there is again I see some potential to take the common. So this cannot be called as a final answer because I saw that potential. Normal sum and product rule, that this doesn't happen, but right now it's happening, means we have to fulfill that. So what I am going to do is 3 definitely. Now again same process, the common only. Just take the common and thing will be over. Okay. So 3, in case of the number 3 and 1, I cannot take the common. In case of A square and A is common. In case of B and B square, B is common. In case of X and X is common. So ABX is the common. So what is left here? 3 is left. A square and A is left. BX is totally out. A is totally out. B square, 1B is still left. X is totally out. So this is your, okay, I'm writing like this. So this is your final answer. And while arranging, it looks like this. 3A plus 5B bracket 3A minus B. So this is the way how we solve this question using the sum and product rule.